So I've come up into a pretty isolated area today. I had to walk a long way to get here, and I'm just in this little side gully, side creek. And as you can see, the water's quite dirty, so we've had a fair bit of rain and there's still a fair bit of water flowing. But if you get up high, you can get into little creeks like this and have a dig. You've got to put up with leeches and yucky things rubbing up against you. But it's still pretty cold, so the snakes are all still asleep. But yeah, I'm just... this is my idea of a good day out, being up to my waist in a dirty creek, digging dirt. So I'm having a fun day out. I have no idea if I found anything yet. I'm just sieving and putting them into the bags, and I'll find out when I get home. But it's not too bad. Pretty good looking gravel. There's quite a few spinels in them, and I've seen a few zircons going through, but yeah, we won't know until we get home. I'm starting to get pretty tired. It's going to be a long walk home, but yeah, I reckon it's worth it. It's good fun. Hopefully we'll find some good stones, but we won't find out until we get back home. As you can see, I'm in a nice little spot here. We've got a bit of bedrock up behind us, and there's a drop off into a pool, and there's quite a bit of gravel in here, and I've dug a lot of gravel out, and I did get into patches of lots of spinel and big spinel too. So I haven't seen any sapphires, but I'm hoping that they're in the white bag. Let's hope. Alright, that's full. We might do a sieve, and I'll show you what's in it. Bucket's full. Because I've come so far up the river, I had to travel light today, so once again I got the small sieve, and I've got a backpack and a bucket, and the big sieve, and that's it. The top sieve, I mean. You can see how much clay's in it, and I'm actually scraping the clay base, so I'm not actually on bedrock, I'm on clay base. So that's always a good sign, especially the orange clay. The orange... That's a weird noise. Usually the orange clay seems to work better. You get a lot of grey clay here too, but for some reason it's not in the grey clay, it's in the orange clay. I have no idea why. Alright, so that's pretty typical of what I'm getting today. I'm just getting good circles of spinel. There's a little zircon there. I haven't really stopped to have a look while I've been going, but yeah, I'm getting good circles of black stone, so hopefully a sapphire's gone through, I'm not sure. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. Ahoy everybody. So, the plan today is to go through the bucket of heavy stones that I brought home from a recent trip and to see what's in them. So, I didn't stop to have a look while I was digging and sieving. I just put them all in the bucket. I just scooped the black circles up into a bucket and brought it home. And now I'm going through them one sieve at a time, and you're going to see what I've got as we go along. So, this is the first one, and I can see straight away that I've got some big chunky spinels in it. So just example, there me tweezers there, and that's a big spinel. But we've also got a red stone there, beautiful red zircon, another zircon there, another big chunky something there. I'm not sure what that is, but it's very nice. It's very interesting. Some more zircons over here. Another gemstone there, looks like another zircon, big zircon. I can't see any sapphires there, but there are some really nice stones in there with clarity. That's an interesting stone there. Very interesting. So yeah, it looks very promising. So I'm just going to do a quick video of each sieve. Let's do a quick flyover. And yeah, you'll find out what I find as I do. Alright, see you later. Okay, next sieve. Once again, a nice circle of black stones. And we're just going to do a drive over or a flyover. And I can see some really nice zircons in there. Now some people don't bother with the zircons, but I reckon they're terrific stones. And this one here is very impressive. It's a big stone. Hard to get big zircons like that. That's a big zircon. I'll weigh this one later, but I reckon it could be 4 carats. And it's got really good clarity. Really good clarity. Let's see if we can... Can't really see. Yeah, you can see it there. I can see right into the stone. Beautiful orange colour. But yeah, some people just aren't interested in them, but I reckon they're awesome. Alright, that's another great sieve. I can't see any sapphires in that. Maybe you can. But I'm going to go through them for the next 10-15 minutes and pick out what I can see. We'll go from there. There's a interesting stone in there. That's super clear. Yeah, but anyway. Okay, here's the next sieve. So, there's some very interesting things in here. Just do a bit of a flyover. But once again, some big chunky spinels, including this one, which is probably one of the biggest spinels I've ever seen. It is huge. Have a look at the size of that. That's a huge spinel. That is easily one of the biggest ones I've seen, maybe the biggest one I've ever found. So that's a big spinel. Big spinel. Put him back in his spot. Yeah, and other things of note are, let me have a look. There's a clear gemstone there. There's some zircons all through here. Through there. Heaps of zircons. That's a big zircon there. Beautiful water-worn jelly bean zircon there. That's a good one. I like that. What do we got over this side? We've got another one there. This here is a big star sapphire. So it's got that sheen to it, and it's just a big flat flake. It's got a bluey metallic look to the outside of it. What's it like on the other side? Yeah, but it's only very thin. You can see how thin it is. So, but anyway, it is a sapphire. All right, very good. And there's a clear, might be a topaz or a zircon there. Very, very clear stone, really pretty. All right, I'm going to keep going. Rightio, back again with another sieve. And once again, nice circle of black spinels. And I'll do another flyover. See if you can see anything there. So I can see a little blue sapphire there, but it's just a dud, or just not a gemmy sapphire, but it's a sapphire. Got a clear stone there. There's not much in this one, so results do vary. What's this here? That's like looks like a bit of a smoky quartz there. Bit of a broken piece of topaz or something there. But there you go, it's not that exciting. There's a clear topaz there. It's not a bad little stone. But yeah, nothing too exciting in that one. But anyway, I'll take a photo and you can zoom in and have a look. I think that might be a piece of star sapphire there. Yep, it's a piece of star sapphire there. But yeah, not much in this one, so. Alright, another sieve. And do a little bit of a flyover. Heaps of spinels again. And I can see in this sieve we've got a little pocket of what are they called? Topaz. So that's a beautiful topaz there. Really nice topaz, and it's a crystal topaz. You probably can't see it on camera. Well, I have to need to put it on camera first, but you probably can't see it on camera, but it is absolutely perfect little zircon crystal. And then there's another one here. You can see they're flat on the bottom. And then there's another one over here. It's got a yellow tarnish on the outside of it. Now I thought that these were actually yellow topaz, but what I think they are is they are stained a tannin colour. So, but there you go, there's three sitting right next to each other. They're rippers. Absolute rippers. But there's a few zircons in this one, but sort of not much else, so it just shows you that different types of stones tend to clump together in the river. There's a nice zircon there. I'll put him there. And here we go again, the next sieve. Do a flyover, nice and slow. Heaps of black stones. Heaps of black stones, and there's a couple here of note. There's a tiny little blue sapphire there, but it's really, really clear. It's really clear, but it's only small. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. It could be 0.8 of a carat, something like that. I'll just put it there. You might not be able to see it, but I'll put that into a separate little container. It's a lovely light blue colour, really clear. Alright, so that's that one. Put him there. Oh, I dropped it. Put him there. Ahoy. Another sieve. Heaps of black stones again. Heaps of black stones. I can't see anything blue jumping out at me, but I can see a really nice zircon, and it's a big one too. Oh, it's a beauty. Look at that for a zircon. That is magic. That is a magic big zircon. That is a ripper. It's just beautiful. Oh, that's one of the best I've ever found. That's a really good one. That's a really good zircon. Really nice zircon. It's a good size too. You little ripper. So that's awesome. Rightio, once again, heaps of black stones. Put my glasses on so I can see. And we'll do a bit of a flyover, nice and slow. I can't really see anything standing out there. Can't see anything big and blue anywhere. See some big spinels. I can see quite a few zircons. I think that's a topaz there. And that's a broken piece of topaz there. And here we are, finally, at the final sieve. So we'll do a flyby. Lots of black stones again. We'll go a little bit lower. I can see a nice zircon there. Right there. Coming around. I can't see anything else there. Oh, hang on. There's a sapphire there, but it's pretty milky and commonly known as a dud. Alright, I'll take a photo. Thanks for watching today's video. I think I might do a few more of these. Just gives people an idea of what you can find. And you know, this is a really good spot that I was in, and even then it's hard to find good sapphires, so I think I found one bigger sapphire and 4 or 5 smaller ones, but I found quite a few zircons and topaz also, so yeah. Even though you get into a good patch, it doesn't mean you're just going to get handfuls of sapphires. It doesn't work like that. You've got a chance at getting a good one, but a good chance, but it doesn't always work out that way. But anyway, you've got to give it a go. Alright, thanks for watching, and do the whole like, share, subscribe thing if you enjoyed the video, and I'll do a few more of these. Alright, see ya.